माननीय सदस्यगण, माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय,
अब राष्ट्रगीत वंदे मातरम के साथ राज्य गीत अरबा पैरी के धार होगा। माननीय सदस्यों से अनुरोध है राष्ट्रगीत और राज्य गीत के लिए कृपया अपने स्थान पे खड़े हो। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, सदन माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय के आगमन की प्रतीक्षा करेगा। माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय का अभिभाषण। माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय अपना अभिभाषण अंग्रेजी में पढ़ेंगे। इस अभिभाषण का हिंदी अनुवाद माननीय सदस्यों को खातेदार अलमारी से वितरित किया जाएगा। अब मैं माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय से आग्रह करूंगा अपना अभिभाषण प्रस्तुत करें।
Respected members of the Legislative Assembly, it is my immense pleasure to address the first session of the Chhattisgarhi Legislative Assembly for the calendar year 2024. I extend my warm greetings to all the members of the House. The 6th Legislative Assembly of Chhattisgarh was formed in December 2023. In my address during the inaugural session of the newly formed Assembly on December 20, 2023, I expressed my commitment that my government is dedicated to initiate a new era of good governance in Chhattisgarh, inspired by the ideals and principles of the visionary former Prime Minister, Late Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and the current Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi. I wish to state that in the brief span since its formation, my government has undertaken decision, action to honor the promises made to our citizens, thereby bringing a new era of justice, relief and development across the state. My government has swiftly initiated the implementation of the concept of Samruddha Kisan Sampanna Pradesh, prosperous farmers prosperous state. On revered Atalji's birth anniversary, celebrated as Good Governance Day on December 25, the pending bonus of 2 years for more than 12 lakh farmers amounting to rupees 3,716 crore has been transferred to bank account of the farmers. A commitment to purchase 21 quintals of paddy per acre from farmers has been honored, and the transparent and efficient system of paddy procurement has been established. This has led to Chhattisgarh achieving the record of highest paddy procurement in the state this year. The motto जनजाति उत्थान प्रदेश का मान encapsulates the ethos of the government, reflecting our deep-seated commitment to the upliftment of scheduled tribes. It embodies our proactive and positive approach towards every aspect of tribal life, affirming our dedication to their well-being and advancement. Swift action will be taken on various subjects, ranging from children's education to the culture of the entire community, healthcare, essential infrastructure, employment, and overall improvement of the quality of life. प्रधानमंत्री जनजाति advisory नया महाभियान aims to provide essential facilities to particularly vulnerable tribal groups like Baika, Kamars, Pahadi, Karwa, Birhor, and Abuzamandia. My government is determined to build basic amenities, including permanent homes, concerning roads, hotels, clean drinking water, electrification, multi-functional centers, Anganwadi centers, and forest resources centers. In addition, we plan to establish mobile towers and enhance vocational education and skills for their overall development. Under EM German operation, special attention is given to the health of particularly vulnerable tribal groups. For health checkups, treatment and distribution of medicines, 66 mobile medical units are being used. My government will accord high preference to increase the means of livelihood associated with all minor forest produce, including tendu leaves, mahua, and tamarind. The government is determined to provide a minimum support price of rupees 5,500 per standard bag for tendu leaf collection, along with a bonus up to 4,500 to collectors. Various schemes will be implemented to benefit collectors and their families, promoting their health education and comprehensive development. Besides, efforts will be made to address regional imbalance in development, empower local residents to seize new opportunities and explore new possibilities. The decision to provide permanent housing to approximately 18 lakhs beneficiaries deprived of the benefits of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana was taken up in very first cabinet meeting. This will bring a hope to housing deprived families in rural areas. Meanwhile, my government is actively progressing towards fulfilling the Jal Jeevan Mission to ensure 100% coverage of clean water supply to every household. This stands as a significant example of my government's commitment to ensuring justice and a compassionate perspective. My government is committed to strengthening the grassroots level governance through a strong Panchayat Raj system aiming to bring quality infrastructure and new livelihood opportunities to the villages. This initiative is set to empower rural area in the state by fostering economic self-reliance, persevering traditional values and creating new
पढ़ा हुआ मान लिया जाए क्योंकि अधिकांश सदस्य अंग्रेजी समझते नहीं। अब ओपी चौधरी जी जब थपथपाते हैं तो सब लोग थपथपाना शुरू कर देते हैं।
My government is working towards further strengthening the public distribution system, the one lesson card scheme,
पढ़ा हुआ मान लिया जाए राज्यपाल महोदय,
featuring biometric authentication through e-POS machines has been introduced under the Pradhan Mantri Garva Kalyan Anna Yojana. My government has decided to provide free rice until December 2028. This initiative will benefit 67.94 lakh priority Antadaya, single destitute women and disabled ration card holders in Chhattisgarh by providing them with eligible rice on a monthly basis. The Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana has played a significant role in making the lives of women easier. Under this scheme, more than 36 lakh new gas connections have been issued in the state so far. This facility will also be extended to 100% eligible beneficiaries. My government has taken a decision to equip the police force with new facilities to strengthen them for the effective execution of their duties. Simultaneously, a compassionate approach has been adopted to address their issues from a human perspective. The police force will be provided with modern weapons, communication tools and other necessary equipment to enhance their quality. In addition, a project with an estimated cost of around 201 crore will be swiftly completed to develop police infrastructure in Maoist affected areas. My government stands resolute in establishing the rule of law throughout the state with a firm commitment to eradicating our Maoist terrorist menace entirely from Chhattisgarh. Our foremost objective is to prioritize the provision of essential amenities, education and healthcare in Maoist affected areas. My government, recognizing the challenging service, dedication and commitment to police personnel, has taken the decision to provide a weekly off 1 day to officers from constable to inspector level in field areas. In Maoist affected and difficult regions, district police force personnel will be granted 8-day leave once every 3 months in place of weekly off. Guidelines regarding eligibility and the process for availing leave have been issued. Acknowledging the rich tapestry of Chhattisgarh's natural landscapes, diverse indigenous culture, myriad festivals celebrated by different communities, and the significant centers of faith cherished by the populace, my government is seeking out a comprehensive strategy from the development of culture and tourism. A project underway to develop 5 Shakti Pitha, Kundargarh, Chandrapur, Ratanpur, Dantewada and Dungagarh on the lines of the Char Dham pilgrims. Similarly, local specialities will be highlighted to make them centers for tourism development. Rajim Kumbh is not only the confluence of 3 sacred rivers, but also develops a convergence of faith, harmony and local progress. With unwavering dedication, my government is actively endeavoring to elevate Rajim Kumbh to a revered place on the pilgrimage map, both nationally and globally. The consecration of idol of Lord Sri Ram in Ajodhya has ignited unparalleled enthusiasm and devotion across the globe. In a bid to amplify this fervor, my government is extending support to 5,000 registered Ramayana Mandalis and Bhajan Mandalis through encouragement sum. In addition, my government is also fulfilling its promise of launching Sri Ram Lala's Darshan Yojana exclusively for the residents of Chhattisgarh. The initiative will afford thousands of pilgrims the opportunity to get on a sacred journey to Ajodhya, including visits to the Kashi Vishwanath temple corridor, witnessing of the Ganga Arati each year. The fact that nearly 44% of the Chhattisgarh's geographical area is covered by forest land is a source of immense pride for our state's residents. Forest resources not only play a pivotal role in maintaining environmental balance, but also significantly contribute to the regional economy. In alignment with this, the government is committed to conserving and enhancing our rich forest heritage, utilizing various financial resources, including Pampa funds. We will develop environmentally suitable livelihood resources for the forest dwellers and for those who are reliant on forest. Through the promotion of joint forest management, we aim to bolster the involvement of forest dwellers in forest management. Furthermore, we have launched the project Bhagwa to take significant steps in increasing the population of tigers and ensuring their safety. My government has formulated a comprehensive strategy for the overall development of the youth with a focus on developing quality, value-based and employment oriented educational infrastructure from school to college. The establishment of an innovation hub in Science Center, Raipur, aims to make students proficient in innovation and creative activities. Specialized facilities including sports academies, Hello India centers and sports stadia will be developed in all districts of the state according to specific requirement of the districts. In line with the promises made, my government is taking concrete steps to implement the new national education policy across the entire state. In light of the complaints regarding irregularities in the recruitment process conducted by the State Public Service Commission, my government has decided to initiate a CBI investigation. We have extended the period of maximum age limit relaxation for local residents of Chhattisgarh applying for the government service for further 5 years. It is our firm commitment. It is our firm belief that these measures will help in restoring the confidence of students and youth, thereby better equipping them to complete the various fields. My government remains steadfast in its commitment to ensure the holistic well-being, safety and wholesome development of women and children. Various impactful initiatives such as the Mukhyamantri Bal Sandarbh Yojana, Bhajan to Sohar, Purak Poshan Ahar Yojana and ready-to-eat nutrition food have been successfully implemented to combat malnutrition. Building up this achievement, my government is dedicated to advancing these initiatives with introducing new dimension to further augment their effectiveness. We have resolved to expand and enhance facilities such as Sakhi One-Stop Center, Women Helpline, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Yojana, Chhattisgarh Mahila Kosh and Mukhyamantri Kanna Vivah Yojana. Through appropriate schemes, we aim to honor and empower the Matru Shakti to aid married women in fulfilling their social responsibility. My government has decided to launch the Matri Bandhana Yojana. This scheme is an initiative to fulfill this promise of providing annual financial assistance of rupees 12,000. My government is dedicated to comprehensive development of infrastructure.
पेंशनधारियों के साथ धोखा करने वाली है राज्यपाल महोदय ये सरकार।
This includes
पेंशनधारियों को देने वाली नहीं है।
construction of well-maintained roads, ensuring sufficient irrigation and drinking water supply, providing continuous and high-quality electricity, enhancing healthcare facilities, and delivering transparent public service using technological innovations and generating employment opportunities in IT sector and other industries. My government is dedicated to speeding up industrial, commercial and professional activities by wisely utilizing diverse resources in the state. While striving for significant revenue growth, equal emphasis is placed on generating abundant employment opportunities across various sectors. The objective is to empower each individual in the state and promise comprehensive development. Free medication and counseling is being provided to all sickle cell patients, aiming to eradicate sickle cell anemia from the state. My government is committed to creating an ideal investment environment in the state, ensuring legal protection for both investors and the public. Every provision, including compensation and rehabilitation packages, will be prioritized to serve the welfare of the public. My government is committed to realizing the vision of Antyodaya. It will continuously evaluate actions to achieve sustainable development goals. An indicator framework will be utilized for this purpose at the state and district level. The use of modern tools such as the Atal portal will be employed for obtaining reliable and quality data for issue-related development. This era is characterized by rapid advancements in the realm of knowledge and science. It is vital for elected representatives alongside citizens to be equipped with the latest information and technology to effectively compete on both national and global front. It is my heartfelt wish that all members of the Chhattisgarh Legislative Assembly will reach new heights of public welfare and development through innovative thinking and the utilization of cutting-edge resources. I trust in your ability to set ambitious goals and diligently strive towards achieving them with unwavering dedication and hard work. May your contribution further enhance the esteemed stature and prominence of Chhattisgarh Legislative Assembly. Jai Hind, Jai Chhattisgarh.
धन्यवाद राज्यपाल महोदय। सभा की कार्रवाई 5 मिनट के लिए स्थगित की जाए।
अब समय है छत्तीसगढ़ की हर छोटी बड़ी खबरों पर फटाफट नजर डालने का। तो चलिए देखते हैं छत्तीसगढ़ की तमाम छोटी बड़ी खबरें फटाफट अंदाज में। छत्तीसगढ़ वन सेवा भर्ती प्रक्रिया में गड़बड़ी का आरोप लगाते हुए हाईकोर्ट में 8 अभ्यर्थियों ने लगाई याचिका, जिसमें कहा गया है कि फिजिकल टेस्ट में फेल हो चुके लोगों को दोबारा मौका देकर वेटिंग लिस्ट के उम्मीदवारों को उनके अधिकार से किया जा रहा है वंचित। मामले में जस्टिस अरविंद सिंह चंदेल ने शासन से जवाब मांगा और वन सेवा भर्ती प्रक्रिया पर लगा दी है रोक। छत्तीसगढ़ की नई सरकार में रिटायर्ड आईपीएस राजेश मिश्रा की हुई पहली संविदा नियुक्ति। डीजी रैंक के अधिकारी राजेश मिश्रा नियुक्ति से एक दिन पहले ही हुए हैं रिटायर। संविदा नियुक्ति पाने वाले मिश्रा डीजी रैंक के हैं तीसरे अफसर, लेकिन पिछली सरकार में रिटायरमेंट के ऐसे 12 से ज्यादा आईएएस आईपीएस अधिकारी थे जिन्हें मिली थी संविदा नियुक्ति। लोकसभा चुनाव के मद्देनजर 5 फरवरी से 14 फरवरी तक की जाएगी सभी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग मशीनों की प्रथम स्तर की जांच। 1 सप्ताह के अंदर हो जाएगी जांच पूरी। जांच की प्रक्रिया को सफलतापूर्वक पूरा करने के लिए निर्वाचन आयोग ने प्रदेश के सभी जिला उप जिला निर्वाचन अधिकारियों और तकनीकी टीम का करवाया गया ऑनलाइन प्रशिक्षण। राजधानी पुलिस ने बड़ी कार्रवाई करते हुए बच्चों की खरीदी बिक्री करने वाले गिरोह का किया भंडाफोड़। 1.5 लाख में बच्चा खरीद कर 5 लाख में बेचने वाली 2 महिलाओं सहित 6 आरोपियों को सिविल लाइन क्षेत्र से किया गया गिरफ्तार। साथ ही महिला के कब्जे से एक बच्चे को भी किया गया बरामद। यशोदा नायक और सुशीला नायक है पकड़ी गई महिला का नाम। बिलासपुर जिले के मस्तूरी क्षेत्र में क्रशर खदानों से 50 से ज्यादा गांव है प्रभावित। यहां होने वाली ब्लास्टिंग से दहशत में है लोग। 3 दिन पहले यहां ब्लास्टिंग से एक स्कूल का प्लास्टर गिरने से 2 छात्राएं हो गई थी घायल। खदानों में ब्लास्टिंग से आसपास के कई घरों में आ चुकी हैं दरारें। खदानों का जायजा लेने के बाद कलेक्टर ने 4 खदानों को सील करने के दिए हैं निर्देश। रायपुर पुलिस ने गांजा तस्करों पर बड़ी कार्रवाई करते हुए एक ही दिन में अलग अलग मामलों में 11 आरोपियों को किया गिरफ्तार। इनके पास से एक ट्रक, 3 कार के साथ 1 क्विंटल से भी ज्यादा गांजा किया गया जब्त। ओडिशा, मध्य प्रदेश और बिहार के हैं 6 आरोपी। मुजगहन, मंदिर हसौद और धरसींवा थाना इलाके में की गई है ये कार्रवाई। गरियाबंद कोतवाली थाना क्षेत्र के लक्ष्मी पेट्रोल पंप में बीती रात 2 नकाबपोश बदमाशों ने बंदूक दिखाकर लूट की घटना को दिया अंजाम। कर्मचारी भावेश ध्रुव की रिपोर्ट पर कोतवाली पुलिस ने मामला दर्ज कर शुरू कर दी है जांच। बदमाशों ने युवक से मोबाइल और पैसे लेकर हुए फरार। बलौदाबाजार के ग्राम सकरी में देर रात बारातियों से भरी बस पलटने से मची चीख पुकार। इस हादसे में 10 लोग हुए हैं घायल, वहीं 2 की हालत है गंभीर। ग्रामीणों की मदद से सभी लोगों को गाड़ी का कांच तोड़कर निकाला गया बाहर। सभी रायपुर चंगोरा भाठा से ग्राम भद्रापाली बलौदाबाजार चौथिया कार्यक्रम से जा रहे थे वापस। बलौदाबाजार के करही बाजार शिवनाथ नदी ओटेबंद घाट में नदी से रेत निकालते वक्त अनियंत्रित हुआ रेत से भरा ट्रैक्टर। हादसे में बाल बचा चालक, वहीं आसपास उपस्थित अन्य लोगों ने तत्काल ड्राइवर को सुरक्षित निकाला बाहर। खेल एवं युवा कल्याण व राजस्व मंत्री टंकराम वर्मा मरीज से मिलने पहुंचे बालाजी हॉस्पिटल। करही बाजार भाजीमो अध्यक्ष निपनिया मंडल पाटन निवासी टिक्की वर्मा हॉस्पिटल में है भर्ती। इलाज में देरी को लेकर मंत्री टंकराम वर्मा ने डॉक्टर को तत्काल इलाज के लिए दिए दिशा निर्देश। वहीं मंत्री ने परिवारजनों से की चर्चा। जसपुर पत्थलगांव क्षेत्र की जिला पंचायत सदस्य और जिला महिला कांग्रेस की उपाध्यक्ष बुधियारिन सोनी ने कांग्रेस छोड़ भाजपा में हुई शामिल। कांग्रेस नेत्री कुनकुरी में जिला भाजपा के महामंत्री भरत सिंह के निवास में ग्रहण की भाजपा की सदस्यता। लोकसभा चुनाव से पहले भाजपा प्रदेश अध्यक्ष किरण सिंहदेव ने की प्रदेश कार्य समिति सदस्यों की नियुक्ति, जिसमें 12 लोगों को दी गई है जिम्मेदारी। कार्यकारिणी में कई नए चेहरे हैं शामिल, वहीं प्रदेश पदाधिकारियों की भी की गई नियुक्ति। इसमें संजय श्रीवास्तव, रामजी भारती, जगदीश रोहरा और भरत लाल वर्मा को बनाए गए हैं प्रदेश महामंत्री। जांजगीर चांपा जयजयपुर विधानसभा क्षेत्र के निर्वाचन को चुनौती देने वाली याचिका पर शुक्रवार को हाईकोर्ट में हुई सुनवाई, जिसमें अदालत ने चुनाव आयोग और कांग्रेस विधायक बालेश्वर साहू को नोटिस जारी कर मांगा जवाब। बता दें कि जयजयपुर विधानसभा क्षेत्र के मतदाता सरोज चंद्रा और दिगंबर साहू ने हाईकोर्ट में लगाई है अलग अलग 2 याचिका। गौरेला पेंड्रा मरवाही जिले के पेंड्रा थाना क्षेत्र के पतगवा गांव में बेटे ने अपनी मां की लोहे की रॉड से पीट कर दी हत्या। इलाज और खर्चे के लिए पैसे मांग रहा था बेटा, नहीं देने पर उसने वारदात को दिया अंजाम। फिलहाल पुलिस ने आरोपी बेटे शिवम मिश्रा को कर लिया है गिरफ्तार। बिलासपुर रतनपुर थाना क्षेत्र में एक युवक ने कॉलेज की छात्रा से शादी का झांसा देकर किया शारीरिक शोषण। प्रेमिका द्वारा शादी की बात कहने पर युवक ने मना करते हुए बातचीत करना किया बंद। उसकी हरकतों से परेशान होकर युवती ने थाने में की शिकायत। अब पुलिस ने करहपारा निवासी आरोपी दिव्यांशु साहू को